lot of other great things that we were doing together. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't serve my audience.
Right, exactly.
And it's difficult. Rama is also making a comment with regard to white papers scaring potential customers. I'm not quite sure what she means by that, but I will make the statement flat out. 98% of white papers that I see are garbage.
Right.
They're information that we already know, dressed up like as if we don't know it. Right. So I think that's what's wrong with when you say, here's a white paper, or even an ebook. You better have a good title, and you better be. That's where HubSpot is hitting it out of the park. They're first. Yeah, they're the very first to come out with information on hot stuff that people need to know.
Yeah.
So if you can be first with new information, that's the best.
And I think, and maybe the definition is really what makes the difference. And I think are we calling white papers research papers with data and information?